Saksakalyan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanarabindam.
Sri Vidur inquired, "My dear Brahman, the abode of the Lord is very difficult to attain. It can be attained only by pure devotional service, which alone pleases the most affectionate, merciful Lord. Dhruva Maharaj achieved this position even in one life, and he was very wise and conscientious. Why then was he not very pleased?" Saint Vidur's inquiry is very relevant. The word arthavit, which refers to one who knows how to discriminate between reality and unreality, is very significant in this connection. An arthavit is also called paramhamsa. A paramhamsa accepts only the active principle of everything. Just as a swan accepts only the milk from a mixture of water and milk, a paramhamsa accepts only the supreme personality of Godhead as his life and soul, neglecting all external, material things. Dhruva Maharaj was in this category, and due to his determination he achieved the result he desired, but still when he returned home he was not very pleased.